What's up everyone, this is Crypto Wolf. Welcome to my channel where we give you daily updates on the crypto market. Today we will be covering another airdrop. This is for Juno stakers. You have to stake at least 0.1 Juno to claim this airdrop. So make sure to check this video out because we will be covering 4 topics today. What is the FOT airdrop about? The second thing, what are the requirements to receive the airdrop? The third thing, how and where can we claim it? And then the fourth and the last thing of today, what is the airdrop currently worth? Not a lot of people have noticed this airdrop, so make sure to check this video because you need to claim this weekly. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see right here, it would be a shame for you to miss your weekly FORTIS Economia. I don't know how to announce it. Sorry if I speak it out wrong, but I don't know how to announce it. So FOT airdrop. So don't forget to claim your share. So let's take a look what it's about. What is this? What is this project? So as we can see, it's an innovative financial toolkit built on Juno network. It's providing financial services. So we can take a deeper look if we go to Twitter and read some blogs about it. They're also doing EMAs, Ask Me Anythings, so maybe you can join that and ask anything you want to know more about this project. I am more interested myself in the airdrop and maybe it's worth some good money. So if you just click onto this page, this will take us to the page where we can see our airdrop and claim it. So the second thing of today, what are the requirements to receive the airdrop? You can see it right here. You have to stake at least 0.1 Juno before 15 December 2021. So if you did that, you will be eligible to claim your airdrop. The first thing we do, if we come to this page, we connect our wallet. This will connect with your Kepler and you just need to approve the transaction. Click approve. Now this transaction want to add the symbol of FOT, this for the token, submit. We have another token also, I don't know what it is. We'll search this out. So we have FOT, bFOT, and we have gFOT. Alright, I will just write this down first. I will research what it's about. I'm very curious how this system works. Submit. You can see right here, bFOT, gFOT, sFOT. Yeah, let's take a look how this works. Very curious. So now that we have done that, we should be able to claim week 1. Click on to claim. Alright, approve this transaction. Now confirm it into your ledger. If you have a ledger, otherwise it's just confirming once in your Kepler. Successfully moneta dropped, airdropped. Alright. We'll search out where we can find that. First, let's try, maybe we can claim week 2. Click claim, not possible. Alright, so that was it for week 1 and we have 20 weeks to go. So every time 5% we claim. Alright, I will keep a notice in my agenda for next week and I will keep you updated. If you have any questions about this airdrop, just leave a comment. If you want to know where you can find your FOT, you just go to your network Juno in your Kepler wallet and then you will see on your tokens 11.1 FOT. If you cannot see them, you have to go to settings, click onto show advanced IBC transfers. This will show you every token. So now we come to the last thing of today. What is the airdrop worth? Just know this is only 5%, so this is 1/20 of what our airdrop is going to be worth. But let's take a look if we can see what it's worth right now. So we just go to junoswap, connect your Kepler, click onto swap, then try to swap FOT if it's possible. bFOT. So we can see right here we only have bFOT. FOT is not swappable. You can see burnt FORTIS Economia token. So if we go back to the page of the airdrop and we click onto burn module, you have to burn your FOT, do the max, to receive bFOT. Alright, burn, click onto approve, confirm this into your ledger, approved. Alright, successfully burned. So now we should have 111 bFOT. So let's take a look what it's worth. And if I'm not mistaken, you can also click right here and change your bFOT to gFOT to stake it. And then you will earn an insane APR of 2,808%. That's insane. But for now, let's take a look. What is the airdrop worth? If you click onto bFOT, 111 max. Alright, this is an airdrop of $330. and you can claim it 20 weeks long. So every week $300. That sounds like $1,200 a month that you are earning because of this airdrop. You see the possibilities. I recommend everyone to stake Juno. If you don't have Juno already, make sure to buy some. Don't miss out on these cheap prices right now. In a couple of months or years from here, you will regret missing out on Juno. I'm almost sure of that because I'm following the Cosmos ecosystem, and it's a very good ecosystem. All the potentially airdrops can give you your money back that you have invested in maybe Juno or Osmosis or Atom. Because of the airdrops. We really had some big airdrops. Go watch my previous videos about all the crypto airdrops if you didn't watch them already. This was it for today. If you want to see something else on this channel, just leave a comment and I will hope to see you into my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.